Morning everyone, Leo Samarelli here again. Today we're going to be starting off with some stretches. Today I'll be using a crutch. It can be a stick, it can be a cane. We can use the table in front of us as well. This can be done anywhere, in any environment, totally up to you. We're going to be starting off with our wrist stretches. We're going to be holding them down for 20 seconds and then switching it up. Let's get ready to go. Holding that bicep up, getting those fingers extended, and really feeling that through the forearm, wrist, and if you can feel it in the bicep too. Don't forget about that breathing as well, guys. You want to breathe right through these nice deep breaths, getting deeper and deeper into the stretches. And we're switching it up now. Keep that nice and extended, and those fingers nice and extended just to their comfort level. If you do want to test it out, you can move deeper into the stretch as well. And time. We're going to shake that out, folks. We're going to do our cross the body into the shoulder right there. I want you to really reach across the body, hinge that arm right through there, and hold. Let's start it from there. I want you to feel that stretch right across the shoulder. Again, incorporating that breath. Finish it in 2, 1, and we'll switch it from there. Little shake out and on to the next arm. I like to take my time in the morning and do these stretches to increase mobility. Let's finish it up in 3, 2, 1, and we're off. Shake that out. We're going to be doing our shoulder circles again. So again, how this is we're going to go up. We're going to do circular motion, full range in that shoulder, and come back and really try to go full range. All right, incorporate that breath into it, and let's go in 3, 2, 1, going up and continuous shoulder circles forward. We're going to aim for 5 of these. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relaxing there. Hitting our reverse shoulders now. Going up and going reverse motion right there. Aiming for those 5. And last one. Get those shoulder blades together. And time. Good stuff there. Shaking that out. Hitting our 5 reps of our shoulder carts. Again, bending forward, having our hand down and reaching exactly like how we would be bowling, and going up all the way, hitting that 12 o'clock, turning that palm over and back over. We're going to hit 5 of these, just nice and fluid motion continuously. We'll go with the 2. Really reach all the way through these, guys. Incorporate that breath as well. That's 4. And opposite direction from there. Hit that 12 o'clock. Let's go opposite direction. Turning over that hand at the 6. And turning that back over. Beautiful work, guys. And last one. Beautiful, guys. Going up and over and onto the next arm. Shake that arm out, going onto that frontward motion first. Good, guys. Again, opening that up, bending forward, going with the motion. Again, if there's any clicking in the shoulders but it doesn't hurt, that's fine. But if there's pain, I want you to play within your range. Mobility is key. Keep you out of that injuries. And we're going to hit that opposite direction from there. Good. And last one, and 5. Very good, guys. Shake that out. We're going to go right to our last stretches again. Let's get that elbow up, holding this stretch down for 20 seconds. Fight that elbow back with that head. If you can get that range, that's good. And leaning over to the side. Good posture is key, so fix your posture up after every stretch. Maybe a seat lift is necessary. Good. And opposite side. Shaking that out. Going up there, pinning the head back and leaning over. Good work, folks. Feel that stretch around on the lat, going all the way down. Finish it up in 5 seconds. Good. And time. Very nice, guys. Shake that out. We're gonna go stretch that neck, back of the neck right here. We're gonna go forward into the armpit. Bend your neck down into the armpit. We're gonna anchor our left hand opposite, anchoring it down and reaching down and really feeling that stretch for 20 seconds. Nice deep breaths. You should feel that stretch all the way down in your trap and even maybe in your arm. Finish it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and opposite side. Shaking it out and moving on to the next. Good work, guys. Finish this one up in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming out of there. Shake that neck out. Let's go with those sides. Right up there. Pulling your head, anchoring your hand first onto that side and pulling downwards. Yeah, neck. Out and down. Again, if you're tight, you could feel this on your, all the way down your arms. Good. Opposite direction. Anchor and down. A lot of us in chairs use our neck for balance. So we get super tight in the traps and neck. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And time, guys. Well done. Last 2 stretches. We're gonna actually grab that stick. Again, if you do not have this stick at home, or if you're somewhere else, you can use anything, a wall maybe, or you can even use a desk in front of you. We're gonna grab the stick in front of us, over top, onto our traps. Again, not the neck, onto our traps. If you can feel this stretch already, you can hold it there. If not, we're gonna be tilting, pushing one arm forward, holding it for 20 seconds again. Good. And you want to be feeling this stretch around your pecs and your shoulder, front of your shoulder there. As you breathe in deeper, you can move a little bit deeper into that stretch. Finish it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and opposite direction from there. Good work. Moving on to the opposite side. Good. Feel that stretch. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Good. After that, we're going to get that stick. Again, if you have that desk in front of you, or you can find yourself to put yourself against somewhere, we're going to hold up a diving stretch. We're going to keep that back nice and straight. Keep that neck leveled with those arms. I'm going to go pushing forward and into this diving stretch right there. You could feel this stretch on your lats, shoulders, or whatever's tight, really. your lower back. And if you want to get a little bit more creative in there, you could start tilting left and moving slightly right. Very nice, guys. Finish it up. 2, 1, and time. Folks, we're going to finish off with one nice Tai Chi deep breath just to end off on a good note today. We're going to start off with our arms in front. We're going to rotate, inhale all the way in and hold for 3 seconds, and then push all the air out nice and slow and controlled. Let's get 3 of these in here. Coming in 3, 2, 1, and time. Turn it in all the way, hold for 3, 2, 1, push all the way out, nice and controlled. Let's get one more in there, guys. Turn those palms in, bring the energy in, expand the chest, diaphragm breathing if you have it there. All the way, hold for 3, 2, 1, and push all the way out slow. Hope you enjoyed those stretches, guys. Have a good morning, and I'll see you again.